Back here at home, the NLEX Road Warriors believe their next two games will be a huge test amid their strong start to the PBA Philippine Cup. After blowing out the Terra Firma Jeep for their fifth straight win, 117-87, NLEX will next play two tough teams in a three-day span. On the 23rd, the Road Warriors will take on the Converge Fiber Xers before facing the defending All-Filipino champions Meralco Bolts on the 25th. NLEX head coach Jong Wichico says this would be a good evaluation on where the team stands at this point in their campaign. Good thing they have more than a week to rest and prepare. Wichico also noted the Road Warriors improved rebounding this conference, which they have to sustain, especially against the Fiber Xers, who are being anchored by Twin Towers Justin Arana and Justin Baltazar. Here's Wichico talking about their next opponents.
We'll take this time to get better. Mabigat yung... Actually, lahat man ng kalaban namin, mabibigat talaga eh. Now, buti medyo nakapuhunan, pero yung back-to-back games talagang it's a test. It's going to be a test, back-to-back games versus Converge playing very well. Two big men, size, dominating talaga, si Balti, tsaka si Rania. Tapos, pag din naman Meralco, very cohesive unit kasi nag-championship na. So yeah, it's going to be a test for us, the next two games. Kami, pero malaki puso. So, kasi rebounding, I think, is, other than it is technique, di ba? Yung gusto mo mag-rebound eh. It's more effort, more rather than the technique side. It is just the double effort, extra effort to try to get the ball. And it has nothing to do with me. Sila yun. Sila yung naggagawa ng effort para maka-rebound. So we have to try to find some type of advantage. Because size-wise, wala kami makita advantage talaga eh. Size in length. So we don't see any advantage. So we have to find a way where we can negate that disadvantage